Vids here at the Punanga Market. Before we come on with our first show here, but again, we'd like to extend our warm thank you to all our visitors here on behalf of the management of the Punanga Market. All the mamas, that's why I'm here, for all the mamas and the papas. We would like to say thank you, and thank you 1,000 times for choosing the Cook Islands as a holiday destination. We love you. We want you to come back. If you leave tonight, come back tomorrow night. We are most welcome to do so. And also goes to our Cook Island families. Ladies and gentlemen, our first number, we call it the drum dance by our young girls, Hula! Young dancers of the Punanga Market. There we are, ladies and gentlemen, to round off that particular number. You know, this is one way of teaching our culture to our young dancers from the age of 0 to about 10 years old. So they learn Cook Island dancing. Party we call the party taki. This is the party that leads the instruments or leads the dancing, the singing and so on. And on this particular party we have kura to demonstrate to you how to beat this particular party. Kura! This party on my far right, that's right, we have John here on this party. We call this party the party Tamana Manata. So Jay. And on this party here, we have the party Tangarongaro, we have Neil. There we are on this particular party here. Ladies and gentlemen, something about our instrument for your information. The biggest instrument here in the sounds of our music is the pau. The biggest instrument is the easiest one to beat. And the smallest one is the hardest one to beat. That's right, because the smallest one goes in between the sounds of our drums here. So on the small party here, we have Rob to demonstrate to you how to beat the daylights out of these small party. Imagine just continuing to hit that while they're going through the rhythm of the drums non-stop, but they're fast. That's why I'm saying the smallest instrument is the hardest to follow and beat. On the paumango, the matatai, whatever you call it, we have again John with the paumango. There we are, and on the big pole again, we have Jay with the big pole. Ladies and gentlemen, the sounds of the Cook Islands from the Punanga drummers. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the sounds of our drums from the drummers of the Korero Maori and the Punanga Market. We have a special...
Hello, kia rana. Alright, thank you. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, oh, there's another one. Oh, I've got to have a look. Which one, Mum? My daughter wants a yellow one. I think that one there. Yeah.
I don't know what to do, but anyway.
How's the holiday?
Oh, not too bad.
So, gentlemen, all you have to do is knock your knees together. That's all you have to do. Basic Cook Island dancing. And for you ladies, all you have to do is swing those hips and make like a washing machine.
This from the island of Mangaya.
Yes. Yeah, and,
That's very nice.
okay, we're gonna have
$30? Yeah, I'll have one.
Yellow?
Thank you, yes.
Gentlemen, up your knees, ladies. When I warm up the fuck, everybody need a door.
Oh, Manchester Mario. Mama, put it inside. It's a casual.
Okay.
Okay, move backwards here. Towards the stage there.
Yeah, how much is that?
Okay, can I see hands up those who are still here on Wednesday night? Wednesday night.
Thank you very much.
Okay. What we're going to do now is I'm going to invite all the dancers.
Oh, no.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for the offer.
And the partners will be on my right.
Yeah, look at the Prime Minister having something to eat.
It's good.
And before we start, ladies and gentlemen, all everybody outside there, how about a round of applause for your friends over there? That's right. And before we start,
Come on.
Yeah, let's go.
we have to greet our panelists and greet.
There's the Rarotonga Prime Minister over there having something to eat, and I'm gonna get Xavier something, please. Look, it says cool coconuts. I'm looking at this one. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's more sizes in here.
Here we are. Thank you. People backwards here. We have Savannah, Elizabeth, with your partners over here. Okay.
It's a bit too big.
Okay, we have the three jump partners and we
No, I'll get the big one. They're the big.
Okay, very slowly.
Cool coconut. You have a size 12?
Oh, I don't work here.
Ah, sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
He goes over there.
Okay. Sorry. If I looked a bit harder, I would have found one chili.
Okay, move backwards here. Thank you.
What's this one? Oh, island chopper. Okay, get my baby. This one. Yeah, hi guys. So we got a meal, right? And I'll show you what we got. There's chicken chop suey, vegetable salad there. Then I've got a risotto, bean, and some other good stuff. See, my mum didn't wait for no one. Oh, see if there's a fly on my food. How dare they trying to eat it before I do. Anyway, guys. So I gotta have something to eat, okay? Been watching the performance and stuff like that, so time for a break. See you later. Ba ngày là vậy. Nghe cáo. Hi. One please. Thank you. Okay. Oh, sorry. Thanks. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
I just put it like that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Adios. Baby pancakes, are they? Yep. Sure is.
Okay, I'm just gonna go get the kebab.